I definitely stopped before, I guess not exactly at the stop sign. With the shrubs, I don't think he possibly saw that, but I slowed down. I guess it wasn't the absolute 3 seconds, but it was enough that I even remember looking left and right and then continued. I remember going 25, going halfway down the street, and then he turned. So that kind of shows how far back he was. And then we were talking, and he said, I ran the red light. I corrected him and said it was a stop sign. And then he walked away and came back with a ticket without any more explanation, to where I could talk and say, I kind of think you were wrong here. He was already holding the ticket in his hand, and I was upset, and I said that. I was very frustrated that I could not speak to him, and immediately on correcting him that it was a stop sign that we're talking about, not a stop light, I got issued a ticket, even though what he said was wrong. And this was my first offense ever.
No, ma'am, it was your first offense that you've ever been cited.
I have never been pulled over. The only
That's what I
time
said.
I was pulled over is when I was 16.
If you listened to what I'd said, you wouldn't be contradicting me.
But being reminded to turn on the lights from turning on to Woodward is not doing anything wrong, because as I
So you haven't stopped.
the lights were turned on.
So
Like
you haven't
that's one
stopped.
small thing when I was 16. I'm 26 now, and there's been nothing for 10 years, while some people have issues back to back. I think that does say something, sir.
And some people tell policemen they hope they get shot today. I have never, ever heard of such egregious conduct by a driver.
Sometimes I thought it was very wrong that I wasn't able to say anything.
Unbelievable. You're trying to
I think
justify.
it's unbelievable that he said something wrong. I corrected him, then I don't get to say, I get slapped with a ticket for saying we're talking about a stop sign here. I don't think that's fair either.
I'm going to stop a second because I want to deal with what you've said. You've talked about the area being pretty busy. You've talked about the fact
earlier that day due
Listen
to the garage sales.
I'm trying not to interrupt you. I would wish that you would at least comport yourself as an average, courteous person.
Yes, and a courteous person to understand the situation. And the situation was busy prior due to the garage sales. And that's why I was in the area.